877-4000. In the wake of Hurricane Sandy, PHL 17 is reaching out to those in need, and you can help. Log on to phl17.com/help. That's where you can make a $10 donation to the Red Cross. Every little bit counts in bringing relief to our neighbors. Thank you. Nobody lives like Charlie.
You think I've been a good role model?
Are you kidding? You drink, you gamble. You have different women here practically every night. The best role model a guy can watch.
Charlie lives. Weeknights at 6 and 6:30 on PHL 17.
Whatever your reason is for putting off school, it's time to wipe the slate clean. Catholic Career Institute has the resources to help you gain the confidence needed to pursue a new career. And look at all the options you have, including programs you could train for in less than a year. New classes start soon, so call now.
Call 800-604-9500 and get your free career compass guide. That's 800-604-9500. Call now.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I hope that last commercial really got you thinking about your future.